looking?
Hey, buddy. Can you look at the camera?
Bien primero. Oh, hey, Mom.
What you looking at, huh? What you looking at? Hold that. Why'd you do that? Why'd you make the noise for?
I thought he was calling.
Hi. Hi. Can you say hello to your Aunt Megan? Can you say hi to Aunt Megan? Say hi. She's in Alaska right now. But she very much wants to be here and misses you very much. Even though she's never met you, she loves you. You make funny noises. You make funny noises. You're so beautiful, buddy. He just had his first bath, and he did a great job. He's all clean and lotioned up and everything.
Oh, yeah.
And Megan, we love you and miss you. I'm going to put this on YouTube and tell you to look at it. And we love you very much. Hope you're having fun in Alaska. Me and Mason and Amanda say we love you. Bye.